Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send your USDT from Kucoin to your Tonkeeper. So first of all, you need to open the Tonkeeper, then you need to click USDT, then click Receive and copy the wallet address from Tonkeeper. Now we need to open Kucoin. First of all, you need to click Assets on bottom right menu and click Withdrawal. Then in the search, you need to type USDT and click the USDT. Then we need to paste the wallet address in the first gap and we need to select the network, which is Ton. We don't need to enter the memo because this is an exclusive wallet from Tonkeeper. So the minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT. So let's send all of our USDT to Tonkeeper. The good news is that the fees are 0. So we are sending 1.5 USDT and we will receive 1.5, guys. That's the good news. Click the withdraw button. Click continue and confirm. We need to confirm the transaction and click the continue button. So we successfully sent our USDT to Tonkeeper. Now we need to wait a few minutes and then I'll show you my balance on Tonkeeper. So as you can see guys, in just 2 minutes we received our USDT on our Tonkeeper balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.